guys, so just so you know, it's gonna be my birthday in 5 months. And hopefully I'm gonna be living on a boat for my birthday.
We're a family of 6 who sold our house, bought a boat, and now we're getting ready to sail around the world. Welcome to our channel.
I have some Total Boat epoxy. I have the slow hardener because when I bought this it was dead summer and it was 100 degrees, and so I bought the slow hardener. Now it's winter and we're averaging 70, but that stuff is supposed to be good down to 60 degrees, which is plenty good for what I'm doing. It's just going to be a little slower curing. My wind is blowing this way, so that helps me a little bit with this. Whew. Start with a couple scoops. Probably a little thicker than I'd like, but it's not too bad. Just trying to get this a little thicker, then I can sand it off and sand down pretty easy, but I want to fill in any low spots. Good. What do you think? The next trick is to learn how to pull these off without pulling your glasses off one-handed, or getting epoxy on your glasses. All right? Okay. So that's fared for now. Come back after it's cured and we'll sand it out. We're replacing 3 through holes, one here, one on the other side, and one on the bottom. This is what they look like on the front. So that's the paddle wheel, and that one there is the old depth sounder. That one was the air conditioner. I swear they cut it with a Sawzall or something when they cut it. So we use this foil tape that is just kind of a peel and stick ducting tape for furnace vents and stuff. Put that on from the outside. And then just kind of make sure it's all stuck, and the idea is that will help seal up the hole for you to start your epoxy from the inside. So I got to cut some circles of fiberglass to be able to fill these holes, some 2-inch circles. I'm going to do that out of a mixture of cloth and I guess it's the woven stranded stuff. So then I cut progressively bigger holes. These Milwaukee scissors that you pick up at Home Depot, they are pretty darn durable.
Hey guys, we're at the boat again. Just me, Abigail, Dad, and Katie. Katie, what are you doing?
I'm mixing epoxy.
Oh, there's the
You like my hair?
Uh-huh. Good.
And my mask?
Yep.
My gloves?
Uh-huh.
The dye gloves.
Fashion show.
Okay.
Dad's doing something over here. Hey, Daddy, what are you doing?
I am filling holes.
With what?
Epoxy and fiberglass.
So we're gonna put one of these and then one of these. Then we're gonna take this. We're gonna mix.
Does that look like Lay's?
Lay's, like for donuts?
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't taste very good.
Is it done?
Gotta do it for 1 minute. Mama shark doo 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 doo. Mommy shark doo 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 doo.
Grandpa shark doo 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 doo. Grandma shark doo 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 doo. Grandpa shark doo doo doo. Run away doo 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 doo. Run away doo 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 doo. Run away doo doo doo. Run away.
Finished product. You see how this turned out? It's not too bad. Got a little bit of epoxy that leaked.
We're just gonna
Sand it down.
That's the nice thing about epoxy, right? You just take a sander.
Sand it down. How'd this turn out?
Still looks a little flat on that nose. You decided not to do anything.
I decided that since I'm such a perfectionist when it comes to this kind of stuff, I realized that you can have a trade-off. You can be a perfectionist and always have your boat being worked on, or you can give up some things and go cruising. Well, we want to go cruising, so I decided, you know what, it's good enough. And it's under the water line anyway. Nobody's ever going to know. It's a little bit flatter there. It's not going to affect anything. I decided, let's move forward, get the stupid thing done so we get it back in the water.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up and think about subscribing. We'll see you in our next episode.